This is a brief video outlining the diagnosis of a Vox AC4TV amplifier. The owner reported a problem where the amp volume would cut in and out. I was able to reproduce the issue, and I demonstrate the location of the problem with the simple and effective chopstick method, as shown in the next clip. Anyone attempting to perform a similar diagnosis or repair, please remember there are lethal high voltages inside this amp, so proceed with caution. If you are unsure about your abilities, take your amp to a qualified repair technician. Okay, let's take a look inside. Okay, here we have the low volume problem. First, I'll give the jack a wiggle. Give the tube a little tap here just to make sure there's nothing wrong with the tube. And there it is. There's the issue. That capacitor right there has a cold solder joint. The repair process involved removing the circuit board from the chassis, removing the old solder from the capacitor that I pointed out in the video, and then reapplying solder to the joints of that capacitor. And that seemed to do the trick. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.